Hey, kitty cat. You want to go outside for a run? How about to the quads?
Oh boy.
Oh my god. Oh no. Put it out. It stinks.
Buster, your summer hat.
Your summer hat went on fire, Buster. Buster, your summer hat went on fire. From the bun in the oven candle.
Health hazards, unfair tickets and tows, safety issues, scams to steal your money.
Buster, what's going on? Are you putting out the fire in there?
Don't worry, Buster. I think you can still wear it. I was like, something smells like smoke. And then I said, the candle. But I didn't know what it had lit on fire.
Buster, where are you going?
I don't think he likes it.
What are you doing?
I don't think he likes the smoke. Buster, what's the matter? The house isn't going to burn down.